Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Instacart Shopper account for weekend earnings, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Instacart Shopper account for weekend earnings, start by visiting the Instacart Shopper website. Log into your existing account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard area of your account. Look for the section labeled Account Settings or Profile. In this section, find the option for Earnings Preferences or Availability. Select your preferred weekend days for shopping. Make sure to set specific time slots that you can commit to working. Check the box for Available for weekend shifts if prompted. Review any additional settings related to your shopping preferences. After making your selections, save your changes. Next, confirm that your payment information is correctly set up. Go to the Payments section and enter your banking details if needed. Once all information is verified, log out of your account. Wait for a confirmation email from Instacart regarding your weekend shift activation. After receiving the confirmation, log back into your account. Check your availability for weekend earnings to ensure everything is activated. Start planning your shopping schedule for busy weekend hours. Be proactive in checking for updates or changes to your account. Now you're ready to maximize your earnings as an Instacart shopper on weekends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.